we're in Tesco's car park. We've been having our first car park carol service, so most people have been in their cars. Some people braved it and got out. It's been very, very wet. But we've been singing, Salvation Army Band have been here, and it's been lovely.
We encouraged people to do fancy dress cars, so we had lots of people with their tinsel and lights and a nativity scene and all sorts of creative wrapping paper outside their cars, all stickered up, amazing efforts, and we had Marys and angels and Josephs and lots of Christmas jumpers and stuff like that with prizes as well.
So much has not happened this year. You know, there's so many things been cancelled. We're not allowed to sing in churches congregationally. We're only allowed to sing outdoors, and people haven't had a chance to kind of go to church and sing their favourite carols, which is what lots of people like to do at Christmas. So we just thought we wanted to give a kind of hint of that, really, and a chance for people to get into their nativity costumes and all the things that we just love at Christmas but haven't been able to do this year.
Happy golden days of yore.
Yeah, it's been an amazing. I couldn't believe that the car park was full, and everyone stayed, even though it started lashing down. People just persisted. It really encouraged. It was just amazing to be part of such like an amazing, faithful community that we're here and we're gonna sing carols, you know, regardless of the weather. So yeah, really good.
Merry Christmas, everyone.